Get a feel for the 2027 Chevrolet Equinox. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled driver's seat, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, tires all season, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.